Hello good people. Today, we are going to cover 5 best home security system reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Blink Video Doorbell. A simple replacement for your standard doorbell, the Blink doorbell camera is battery-powered and delivers full 1080p HD video. It's controlled via an app, where you can store videos for $3 per month per device, has a 135-degree visual range, and can even be wired to your existing in-home chime. It also provides a two-way intercom with the sync module too. The Wi-Fi camera can last for up to 2 years using default settings, and the front door camera offers both cloud and local storage with the Blink subscription plan. Pros: wired option. Option to upgrade to a full system. Local storage available. Cons: professional monitoring only available with a larger system. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit home security system. Easier to install than a speaker system, the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit provides a small, designed to be inconspicuous control hub that acts as a modem for 4 door or window sensors and a motion sensor. Place them wherever you want and connect them to the hub via Wi-Fi. That's it. You can easily move them around or add modules to the system as you see fit. This particular system is best for 1-2 bedroom homes, but you can buy packages that include a combination of video doorbells, indoor cameras, an Echo, or an Echo Show. You can also purchase them separately to expand your system as you move from starter home to a forever one. You are in complete control. Number 3. Our third best pick is SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system. Best for homes with multiple floors, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system is one of the best mixtures of great design, simple integration, and efficient performance. Featuring a base station, which can scream out a 95 dB siren, a password keypad, for entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, and a camera, the SimpliSafe is powered by an app and has smart motion detection, so you can get alerts instantly. Additional sensors can be added for a more customized security system. And SimpliSafe offers 2 levels of optional professional monitoring SANS contracts, a $17.99 month standard monitoring package that offers 24/7 protection from intruders, fires, and medical emergencies with limited app control and no video recording, or $27.99 month package that adds unlimited video recording and full app controls on top of 24/7 monitoring. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera Security System. If you're looking to keep an eye on your packages and protect your home, look no further than the Arlo Ultra 1 Spotlight system. Free local access gives you peace of mind that your footage stays in your home, and easy installation means no more fiddling with wires. The 4K camera can automatically zoom and track moving objects, and the 180-degree viewing angle lens includes auto vision correction to remove fisheye distortion. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight cameras are compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings devices to turn your house into a smart home. Although the kit is expensive, it's balanced out by professional monitoring that starts at $2.99 per camera. Pros: night vision. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings devices. Integrated spotlight to ward off unwanted nighttime visitors. Cons: expensive. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Cove 8-piece wireless home security system. One of the best out-of-the-box choices thanks to its easy DIY installation, no tools are required, and its proprietary install wizard makes Wi-Fi configuration simple. The Cove security system syncs well with smart homes. Allowing for voice control through Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, it is user-friendly and easily integrates into a larger home control system. A flood/freeze sensor detects flooding and low household temperatures, which is important if you live in an area with frequent hurricanes or power outages. The included pet-friendly motion detector differentiates Fido from the bad guys. And multiple reviews note helpful customer service and quick response times with professional monitoring professionals. Rapid SOS integration helps connect to 911 4 minutes faster than other providers. Although this package doesn't come with a camera, there is a 15-piece kit that does. Outdoor and indoor cameras can be purchased separately and monitored via the Cove app. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.